Hi, I'm Adebola from My Breaking Views, and today we are going to be making Nigerian jollof rice. It originates from Senegal and is mainly cooked in most parts of West Africa, but I'm going to be making the best jollof rice, which is Nigerian jollof rice. First thing you want to do is cut your marked tomatoes. You'll need to skin them, of course. What you want to end up with is some finely chopped tomatoes. Next thing you want to do is chop up your pepper. Again, this will be needed to be chopped up thinly. After 30 minutes, we're going to open our pot and check up on our jollof rice. So this is the finishing dish of my jollof rice. I usually serve mine with plantain, some meat in some stew, and I always have to have my super malt with me.